When you own a home, you have a lot of legal responsibilities, whether it's making sure that swimming pool has the proper security around it, or making sure, for your own safety's sake, that the radon is being properly detected in your home. And you say, well, where'd that left hook come from? Well, we've brought in Kurt Franke, who said, I want to talk about radon today. Now, you're not an engineer, you're not a scientist, you're a lawyer, and Kurt's here to talk about the legal side of real estate when it comes to radon and detecting radon, what happens if you have it in your home. So what have you found out? What was your research found?
Well, you know, radon is something I've always heard about, and I've never really known. I kind of heard about it as being a gas, and it could be around your house, and I assumed it had something to do with radioactivity. But it's in low levels. It's in most parts of the country. It's in every part of the country, actually, in some level or the other. We have a slightly higher percentage of it in this area because of so much granite rock around Lake Tahoe and whatever. In fact, Lake Tahoe, Lovelock, and Austin are probably the higher places in the state, but not Reno so much.
So what is the relationship between the rock and radon? How does this radon, or where does it come from that you found out?
Well, rock, as it decomposes, all of its soil rock contains some amount of uranium, and so it's radiation that is slowly released into the atmosphere as the rock degrades.
So now you could have a home that is built maybe in a specific spot. Does that mean that everybody in that neighborhood could have a radon problem in their home?
No, it can vary from house to house in the same neighborhood. And there's some good systems out there to detect it, some even cheap ones. The University of Nevada has a cooperative extension, and you can find their website on unce.com, and they actually provide radon detecting kits, so you can check your house and see if it has it in it. The problem with it is as it releases, it comes up through your home and can be breathed in. And there's some concern, there is some link between lung cancer and radon, and that's the reason that they're concerned about radon.
Now, if you come across a home that has been detected for radon legally, now this moves more into your area, what are we talking about here? Do we just have to get it eradicated, or is there a problem like mold?
Well, not so much eradication. It's a problem. It's not so much like mold. It can actually pretty easily be remedied in a home. A lot of homes will have a crawl space and put that visqueen layer down, or put extra ventilation in the crawl space, and that helps release it into the outer atmosphere.
And that really takes care of the problem.
Yes.
Very good. If you want to know more, if you've got some legal questions when it comes to your home or a piece of property, you can always give Kurt a call. How do they get a hold of you, Kurt?
You can call me at 827-6100, or go to my website, LOCAF, that's LOKAF.com.
It's that simple. It's the legal side of real estate, making sure that we cover all those bases, including radon.
Absolutely.
Very good. Thanks, Kurt.
That's my scientific hat today.
Yes, it was. Very much so. Good job. All right. Now we